61A, Lecture Number 20, Announcements. We will have extra office hours this afternoon from 3:30 to 6:30 in 275 Soda Hall. That's one of the lab rooms. If you have a lab during those times, we're going to ask you to move to one of the neighboring labs for the day so that we have a space to hold office hours. And the reason we're holding these extra office hours is to make sure that people can complete the homework that's due today. We'll also have a homework/project party tonight from 6:30 to 8 in Corey 241. Homework 4's deadline was moved to today because of the power outages last week. It was originally due last Thursday. I hope it's coming along. I see that many people have completed the homework already, which is great. But if you haven't, finish it today. You can also revise your HUG composition to earn back any composition points that you lost by today and finish Lab 6, that was last week's lab, by today. The ANTS project deadline was also extended. Even though it was not due last week, it's due this week, but we've bumped it back a day to make room for the other extensions. So now you need to finish the ANTS project by Friday. Please finish the checkpoint by tomorrow and finish the whole thing by Thursday for an early submission bonus point. We've also posted Homework 5, which is due next Tuesday, and it's there to help you prepare for Midterm 2, which is next Thursday. This 2-week period of the course is pretty busy, especially because of the extensions due to class cancellations last week. So please do your best to find time for 61A this week and next week. And hang in there. If you keep working on it a little bit every day, that's the best way to approach the course. And I'll say a little bit more about how to prepare for the upcoming midterm in next lecture. Today, we're going to revisit an old topic, trees, but this time using the object system that's built into Python. And we'll also talk about other compositional data structures. Compositional data appears everywhere in computer science because so much of the world is compositional itself, and many programs involve modeling some aspect about the world. So this is central stuff that you'll learn about in today's lecture, and I strongly recommend coming to lab and discussion over the next couple of weeks and spending time on the homework so that you can really master these concepts. Hang in there and good luck.